Guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this wearable blanket. I really love it, guys. It's this oversized hoodie. It is super soft. Now this is how the fabric looks like from the outside, and this is how the fabric looks like from the inside. I'm completely obsessed with it, guys. It feels like a blanket that you can wear. Obviously it is a blanket that you can wear, but it just feels like you're just hugging a blanket, so I really love it. And right now where I live, it is freezing, guys, so whenever I put it on, it feels warm. I feel soft, I feel snuggish. I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it on so you can see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. It is huge, it is big, it is comfortable, it is very cozy. I absolutely love it. This is how the hoodie looks like whenever you put it on. It looks like I'm literally going to Alaska or the North Pole, and honestly I think this can withstand it. It is super cute, adorable. Let me show you how long it is. So this is how long the hoodie is, guys. It reaches my knees, so it's a little bit above my knees. I am 5'4" for reference, but I really love it, guys. It's long, it's pretty. You can either wear it like this or you can pull it up like that. It also has pockets on the side, so I really love that. But yeah, guys, I really love this hoodie. It feels like I'm wearing a blanket, but it's actually a hoodie that you can take literally anywhere. I would definitely recommend it, especially now that the holidays are coming up. We're gonna be outside in the cold a lot, so it would be perfect for those occasions.